Hello and welcome to English Unlocked. My name is Daniel, and I'm very happy you are here with me today. This is a slow English podcast for beginners. Please relax, breathe slowly, and listen carefully. You don't need to understand every word. Just listen and enjoy the sound of English. Today's episode is called New Year, New Feelings. It is the beginning of 2026, and a new year always brings new emotions, new thoughts, and new hopes. A new year is a quiet moment. It is a moment to stop and think. Many people look back at the past year. They think about what was good and what was difficult. Maybe last year was not easy for you. Maybe you felt tired, stressed, or confused. That is okay. A new year is not about being perfect. A new year is about starting again. In the new year, many people set goals. Small goals are the best. For example, you can say, I want to learn English. I want to speak more. I want to listen every day. Learning English does not need to be fast. Slow learning is good learning. When you listen slowly, your brain relaxes. When your brain relaxes, you remember more. Imagine a calm evening. You are sitting comfortably. Maybe you have a warm drink in your hands. Outside, it is quiet. Inside, you feel safe. This is a perfect moment to learn English. In 2026, try to be kind to yourself. Do not compare yourself to others. Your journey is your own journey. Every word you understand is progress. Every minute you listen is progress. Every small step matters. Let this year be about new feelings, confidence, calm, curiosity. You are here. You are listening. You are learning. And that means you are already moving forward. Thank you for spending this time with me. Stay with English Unlocked, and let's make 2026 a gentle and successful year together. The new year often feels quiet at the beginning. After the noise, the holidays, and the celebrations, there is a calm moment. This moment is special. Many people think a new year must start with big changes, but this is not true. A new year can start slowly. Slow beginnings are powerful. When you wake up in January, the days feel different. The air feels fresh. The calendar is empty. There is space for new thoughts. In this quiet space, emotions appear. Some people feel excited. Some people feel nervous. Some people feel unsure. All these feelings are normal. You do not need to feel happy all the time. You do not need to feel motivated every day. The new year is not a race. Think about how you feel right now. Are you calm? Are you tired? Are you hopeful? There is no wrong feeling. Learning English can be part of this new beginning. Not as pressure, not as stress, but as a gentle habit. When you listen to English slowly, you give yourself time. Time to understand. Time to breathe. Time to grow. You do not need long lessons. 10 minutes is enough. Listening while drinking tea is enough. Listening before sleep is enough. Small actions create big change. In 2026, try to choose calm over stress. Choose consistency over perfection. Choose kindness over fear. Every time you listen, your ear becomes stronger. Every sentence you hear builds confidence. Even when you don't understand everything, your brain is learning. This is important to remember. You are not behind. You are not late. You are exactly where you need to be. The new year is not about becoming someone else. It is about becoming more comfortable with who you are. And learning English can be part of that comfort. Stay here. Listen slowly. Let the language come to you. This year is not about rushing. This year is about feeling safe while learning. The beginning of a new year often brings many thoughts. People think about the past year. They remember what was good. They remember what was difficult. Sometimes these memories are heavy. Sometimes they are warm. It is normal to feel both. The new year does not erase the old one. It simply gives us a pause, a small break between what was and what can be. In this pause, many people make plans. They write goals. They promise change. But real change does not start with promises. It starts with attention. Attention to small moments. For example, a quiet morning, a warm drink in your hands, a few minutes of listening. These moments are powerful. When you learn English slowly, you train patience. You listen without rushing. You allow mistakes. You allow silence. Silence is part of learning. Many learners feel afraid of silence. They think silence means failure. But silence means thinking. Silence means processing. Your brain needs time. In the new year, give yourself permission to learn gently. Not fast. Not perfectly. Just honestly. Some days you will understand more. Some days less. This is normal. Language learning is not a straight line. It moves forward and backward. Like emotions. In January, emotions can be quiet. After holidays, energy is lower. This is not weakness. This is recovery. Listening to English during this time can be comforting. A familiar voice. A calm rhythm. Simple words. You do not need to translate every sentence. You do not need to stop the audio often. Just listen. Your brain will catch patterns. Sounds will become familiar. Confidence will grow slowly. This is how learning stays long-term. In 2026, think of English as a companion, not a task, not a problem, something that stays with you, something that grows with you. When you listen today, you are already improving tomorrow. You are doing enough. Today the world moves very fast. People scroll quickly. They watch short videos. They want results immediately. Learning a language does not work this way. English needs time. Your brain needs repetition. Your ears need familiarity. When you listen slowly, something important happens. You stop fighting the language. You stop chasing perfection. Instead, you begin to notice. You notice intonation. You notice pauses. You notice how words connect. This is real listening. Many beginners think learning means understanding every word. But this idea creates stress. Stress blocks learning. Understanding grows naturally when pressure disappears. Think about how children learn. They listen first. For a long time. They do not speak immediately. They hear the same words again and again. In different situations. With different emotions. This repetition creates comfort. As an adult learner, you can do the same. Listening before sleep is especially helpful. The brain relaxes. There is less judgment. You are not testing yourself. You are receiving language. At night, English becomes softer. It feels less like a lesson, more like a story. You do not need to answer questions. You do not need to repeat out loud. Just listen. Your brain continues working quietly, even after the audio stops, even while you sleep. This is why slow English is powerful. In the new year, try changing your approach. Instead of asking, "How fast can I learn English?" ask, "How calm can my learning be?" Calm learning lasts longer. Some days you will feel progress. Other days you will feel stuck. Both are part of the process. Do not measure your success daily. Measure it monthly, or even yearly. Every minute of listening counts, even when it feels easy. Especially when it feels easy. Easy does not mean useless. Easy means your brain is relaxed enough to absorb. This year, let English enter your life naturally, like music in the background, like a familiar voice. You are not behind. You are exactly where you need to be. Feelings are part of every day. They change from morning to evening. Sometimes they change very quickly. In the morning, you may feel tired. Your body is slow. Your mind is quiet. You might think, "I don't want to get up. I need more time." These feelings are normal. As the day continues, emotions shift. You talk to people. You receive messages. You complete tasks. Some moments feel easy. Some moments feel stressful. Stress is also a feeling. It appears when there is pressure. Pressure to be fast. Pressure to be perfect. When you feel stressed, your body reacts. Your shoulders feel tight. Your breathing becomes shallow. Learning English during stress can feel difficult. This is why calm learning matters. When you feel calm, your mind opens. You hear better. You remember more. In the middle of the day, you may feel neutral. Not happy. Not sad. Just okay. This is also important to say in English. I feel okay. I'm fine. I'm all right. These phrases are simple, but useful. In the afternoon, energy often drops. You may feel tired again. You may feel impatient. Instead of pushing yourself, pause. Take a breath. Slow down. Listening to slow English at this time can help. It creates space. It softens the day. In the evening, emotions become quieter. The world slows down. The noise reduces. You may feel calm, or thoughtful, or a little lonely. Loneliness is also a feeling, and it is okay to feel it sometimes. You can say, "I feel lonely today. I feel quiet. I need rest." Being able to name your feelings is powerful. It helps you understand yourself. It helps others understand you. In a new year, many people try to ignore their feelings. They focus only on goals. But feelings guide learning. If you feel overwhelmed, slow down. If you feel calm, continue gently. There is no correct speed. Your feelings are information. Listen to them. Learning English is not only about language. It is also about awareness. And awareness begins with listening. In the evening, the day slowly comes to an end. The light becomes softer. The sounds around you become quieter. Many people feel different in the evening than in the morning. The body is tired. The mind is slower. This is a natural rhythm. In the evening, you stop doing. You start reflecting. You may think about the day. What went well? What felt difficult? You might say to yourself, "Today was okay. Today was long. I did my best." These sentences are simple, but meaningful. In the evening, people often want comfort. A warm drink. A quiet room. A familiar voice. This is why evening listening works so well. When you listen to English in the evening, you are not studying. You are accompanying your thoughts. You are letting the language sit beside you. There is no pressure to perform. No need to speak perfectly. No need to remember everything. You are allowed to just be. In the new year, evenings can become a small ritual, a moment for yourself. You can sit down, put on your headphones, and listen. Your brain connects sounds with calm. English stops feeling stressful. It becomes familiar. In the evening, emotions are honest. You may feel grateful. You may feel tired. You may feel uncertain about the future. Uncertainty is common at the beginning of a new year. Plans are not clear yet. Paths are not defined. And that is okay. You do not need all the answers now. You only need presence. Learning English slowly fits perfectly into this space. It does not demand energy. It does not demand perfection. It simply invites attention. As the evening continues, the body prepares for rest. Breathing becomes deeper. Thoughts slow down. Listening to calm English helps this process. It tells the brain, you are safe. And when the brain feels safe, learning happens naturally. Let the evening be gentle. Let the language flow. Let the year begin softly. As we come to the end of this lesson, take a moment to pause. There is nothing you need to do right now. Nothing you need to remember perfectly. Nothing you need to change immediately. Just listen. Today, we talked about new beginnings and new feelings, about calm moments, about listening slowly, about allowing yourself time. A new year often feels like pressure. People say you must improve. You must change. You must become better. But learning does not need pressure. Real progress comes from consistency, not force. From kindness, not criticism. When you learn English slowly, you build something strong. You build understanding. You build confidence. You build trust in yourself. This year, you don't need to rush. You don't need to compare yourself to others. Your path is your own. Some days you will feel motivated. Some days you will feel tired. Both are part of the journey. The important thing is to return, to listen again, to stay connected. Every minute you spend listening to English matters, even when it feels easy, even when it feels slow, especially when it feels calm. In 2026, let English be part of your life, not a task, not a problem. Let it be a quiet companion, something that grows with you. When you listen, your brain is learning, even if you don't notice it, even if you don't understand every word. Trust the process. Trust yourself. Thank you for being here. Thank you for choosing calm learning. Thank you for starting this new year gently. This was English Unlocked. And this was New Year, New Feelings. I'll be here with you in the next lesson. Until then, take care of yourself. Breathe. And keep listening.